Alright guys, soy Valentina, soy profe de español, and I'm gonna give you a little exercise that you can do every day to get a little bit more comfortable in Spanish, and plus it's a really good mindfulness exercise. So we're gonna pick 3 verbs. We're gonna do ver, escuchar, and sentir. This is to see, to listen or to hear, and to feel. See? And we're gonna conjugate them for yo, for the first person in the present tense. So we're gonna do yo veo, yo escucho, and yo siento. And wherever you are, you're gonna pick 3 things that you see, that you hear, and that you feel, and you're gonna write them down. And you can use Google Translate, or if you're old-fashioned, you can use a dictionary, and you're gonna make your sentence. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't even have to be pretty, and you're gonna read it out loud. And that way, you're doing a little bit of Spanish. It takes 5 minutes, and you're showing your brain that you're alert and that you're perceiving the world around you in Spanish, and therefore Spanish is important to you as well. So try it, let me know how it goes.